Okay, this is solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Now, you're familiar with the quadratic formula, so we just finished completing the square. So for the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, if I actually solve that by completing the square, this is the result. Okay, now I'll do that on the board in class. I don't want to do it here. So this is a result of completing the square. So the actual quadratic formula is a result of completing the square on the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Alright, let's get started. The main thing that troubles students when they use the quadratic formula is they get their minus signs mixed up and they just don't identify the a, the b and the c before they start. Usually if you do that, you do okay. So let's have a look at this one. So the first thing to realise is there's really a 1 there, there's really a 1 there as well. Now I like to write down what a, b and c are to start with. A equals 1, b equals minus 1, you always have to take the minus to the left, and c equals minus 2. Okay? And state the formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You can hear the song in the background there, I'm sure. X equals, okay, negative b. Now watch this. It's negative, that negative there, and then negative 1. Plus or minus square root of b squared, that's 1, minus 4 times a times c. 1 over 2, hey. Alright, so x equals, now this is plus 1, plus or minus. Now let's just check what happens inside the square root sign. I've got 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. So that's 1 plus 8. So that's 9 all over 2. I'll just go through that again. I've got minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. That's plus 8. So I've got 1 plus 8, which is 9. So x equals 1 plus or minus 3 on 2. Okay, now it's custom to write the solutions separately. If you want, you could do that. So you can say x equals 4 on 2, or x equals 1 minus 3 is minus 2 on 2 minus 1. No, that was a bit clumsy. Anyway, let's try the next one. Let's have a look at what we've got here. 2y squared minus 9y plus 3. Remember, just set it up. A equals 2, b equals minus 9, and c equals 3. Okay? State the formula. X equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x equals negative b. Again, negative 9 makes it 9 plus or minus b squared is 81 minus, now 4 times 2 times 3 all over 2a is 4. Now x equals 9 plus or minus, what have I got here? 81 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 81 minus 24. 81 minus 24. 81 minus 24 is 57. 57 all over 4. Okay? So that means that x equals 9 plus root 57 on 4, or 9 minus root 57 on 4. That's pretty much that.